Alright, so I want to give you a short tutorial of how to upload a picture for an assignment. Alright, so this is the to-do screen. As you see, this is just a dummy student that I made for the presentation here. So whenever you find your class, you're going to go ahead and select the assignment. So say 16 questions, you're going to have to upload a picture for. You click on the assignment, okay, and you're going to click on this computer or wherever it's housed. If you have it housed in your Google Drive, you can do that as well. You'll have to find wherever it's at. Mine already went to where my pictures are. You might have to click on one of these over here, camera roll or whatever. If you're using a PC, if you're using a Chromebook, I believe it's in the downloads folder. You can use your cameras on your Chromebooks to take pictures of things as well to upload. So you're going to select whatever you want to upload, click on it, hit open, and it'll show that it is attached. Hey, you successfully turned in a picture for your assignment.